Hi Libra. Let's see what are the messages that come out for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. There's a lot of work happening outside, so please excuse the sounds. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Page of Cups, Ace of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. This is something to be aware of, Libra. Two of Wands, five. Oh, no, it's the Hierophant. Number five could be important for you, Libra. The Moon in reverse. And Five of Pentacles. Five and five. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Sun card. Things are looking up for you, Libra. Your general energy is things that are, taking a beautiful turn and are becoming better and better for you. Times are turning and they're making you feel more empowered, making you feel happy. And one thing that I see is that you guys are beginning to start a new relationship with someone. This new person could be somebody who has a spiritual grounding, somebody who is empowered, somebody who feels happy in being in their own space, Libra. Or this could be you because energies can be fluid. This is not a gender specific reading, this is not something that specifies who these energies are for. It could be you or the other person. Also, I feel that this person could be a little traditional, orthodox, or comes from a family which is really very cultured as opposed to the 21st century. So, so when you enter this new relationship, you know exactly what you're looking for in a partner, and that is what you have manifested. And the good part about this relationship is that there are no secrets, there are no lies or deceptions. Whatever it is in front of you, Libra. Yeah, I see a beautiful union. It could be a Gemini person that you're dealing with, a Taurus person, a Virgo, Capricorn person, or another, a Gemini person could be. Because, see, you have come out of a relationship or a time where things weren't that easy for you. Probably that's why you've got the Sun card. You know, you lately felt really anxious and probably unwell. The anxiety led to physical ailments like headaches, sleepless nights, um, high blood pressure, or something like that. Yeah, it was a time of a lot of struggle, but you are reaching a conclusion. You're reaching a, a time where you've got a healthy closure after a difficult ending, Libra. I also feel that you could be giving a second chance to somebody, or somebody could be giving a second chance to you, Libra. And the fact that you were left out in the cold, and that person, whoever it was in your past, who just took away everything, including your mental peace, and left you out, probably comes back to offer you something new and back with an apology, of course. But now, whether you go back to them or not, you are getting a closure because that the fact that the person realized their mistake and came back to you after hurting you is one, a very wonderful feeling, and two, they now you have the upper hand, Libra. Now, whether you go back to this person or not is absolutely up to you, but I'm definitely getting signs that this person wants to come back to you. And there is also a new person who has caught your eye, and probably you want to start something new with them. So, you're going to get a closure also, and you're going to get new love also, Libra. So, everything is just falling into place. It has taken a while, but it's not going to last very long. You know, the unpleasantness is not going to last very long. You are going towards peaceful and happier times. Dates like 14th, 7th, 12th, 11th, 15th, 5th could be really important for you. Dates and numbers. Even the 19th could be important for you. Let's see some extra messages, Libra. So this message could is not necessarily related to the tarot, so you can take it however you want. Within the next few months, if you had an additional question or timeline or something, this is it. Rest. You've been working hard, take a nap and get some rest. Emotions are running high. You and your loved ones are safe. Hold your vision. A time to give rather than take. And one last card for Libra. Show the world the real you, Libra. I see really good things for you. Even though things have been like they went downhill in the past, I see everything coming back into its space and making you feel empowered and happy once again. Thank you for watching, Libra. I hope this reading made sense to you. Bye.